Welcome to Stevens Creek Showcase, the area's premier destination for quality pre-owned vehicles. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles from our inventory, and comes equipped with navigation, split fold-down rear seat, rear view camera, fully automatic headlights, tire pressure monitoring system, dual front side impact airbags, heated door mirrors, steering wheel controls, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, alloy wheels, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. For over 25 years, the Zahari Group has been providing high-quality vehicles to our customers. As the latest addition to the Zahari Group, Stevens Creek Showcase specializes in late model, exceptionally well-maintained luxury and performance vehicles, and is proud to provide the best customer service from our professional sales team. When you have found a vehicle from our great selection that is right for you, give us a call or stop by and let us show you what excellence in customer service looks like. Stevens Creek Showcase is located at 5080 Stevens Creek Boulevard, just off the 280 freeway at Lawrence Expressway in San